What's up, guys? Hey, I got a new product in the mail that I'm really excited about. I don't know if you guys have heard about this yet, but this is the Insta360 OneX. It is a brand new 360 action camera. Or maybe not brand new, but it is new. This is a newer model for them. Um, this is basically a direct competitor for the GoPro Fusion, so I'm excited to play with it, but wanted to do an unboxing, so let's get to it. Let's see what it looks like. I'm literally unboxing it for the first time here. So, here we go. Wow. That's nice. 5.7K, 360 degree video. 5.7K, of course, is the entire way around you, so it's not like it's full HD unless you're displaying the entire video from all directions at the same time. Flow state, so it's got amazing stabilization, 18 megapixel camera. It's got some cinematic slow motion, invisible selfie stick, so when you mount it to the top of a selfie stick you won't see it. And then here's all the accessories: bullet time that you can pick up, protective pouch, extra batteries, charging cable, warranty card, packing list, etc. So the cool thing about this camera, and I did do a lot of research before buying it, but the cool thing about this camera is obviously the 360 degree video. You can start making and producing those types of videos too. But the reason why I got this camera is two reasons. So number one, I'm interested in doing some real estate video this year, some marketing material type videos. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a still 360 degree image in rooms for like a virtual tour. So that's going to be huge for that. And then the second reason why I bought it is for the next Peach State Overland trip. And the next PSO trip, I want to take this as my action camera and find some new and exciting angles to capture on this trip. So I really look forward to using this camera on the trail. But let's get it open and check it out. Alright, and I'm back with my buck knife, probably one of my favorite blades. I need to clean it up a little bit, but my dad picked this up. My dad carried this when he was in Saudi in the early 90s for Desert Storm, so great little knife, super sharp. Let's get it cut out. And there you have it. There is the little camera. So, this looks moderately fragile. So this is a plastic case, but a pretty durable plastic from what I understand. Got a relatively simple screen on it. That's where the battery will go. Tells you a little bit about what sort of memory card. Only supports ex-FAT micro SD cards. And then underneath there you've got your typical, so your SD card would go in there, and then you have your typical mount for a selfie stick or something. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else is in here. There's the battery. Pop it in there. Boot it up. Looks like some sort of lanyard to help hold it on. Pretty sick. No SD card. And it boots up. You can see how simple the screen is. And I want to say as soon as you push power, it starts recording. I could be wrong, but shutting down. There's the power button. All right. Let's see what else is in here. There's the case cover. Ooh, protective pouch. Got a little pouch to carry it around in. Typical instructions, quick start guide. What's included. Stickers. Heck yeah. I'm gonna Insta360 everything. connecting to your phone. So we got some options for cables in there. And then connecting to your computer. We got a typical USB cord. So I'm imagining that's a higher rate USB cord. Pretty awesome. So this is what's in it. Again, looking forward to using this. There's a couple of accessories that I want to get. One of them I think is called Drift or Drifter. And it's like a football that you essentially mount this in, and then you start the recording and you throw it, and because of the high rate that it's filming, you can actually get kind of like a matrixy slow-mo as it passes by things that are kind of action-packed. So really looking forward to using that. So I don't know, let's take it outside, let's play with it, let's see what it does. See you guys. Alright, I am back, and sure enough, this thing is really cool. I really enjoy using it. It's got some really cool video. I'm hoping it does, I guess. Let's see what the footage looks like, but anyway, really excited to kind of get to use this, to play with it. I'll be making some more videos soon. Might do some more sample footage videos of it for you guys as I can get out and do some more along the lines of what I actually want to use it for. So anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. If you like this sort of content, if you like this video, make sure you like it. Leave a comment below. You know, how would you use this camera? And if I've inspired you to go pick one up, let me know. And then make sure you guys are following the channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because who knows when YouTube wants to actually notify you. So go hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.